If I told you there's a way right now to access GPT-5 Pro Rhine for free and use it unlimited, with pro-level features that the public can't touch, you'd think I'm lying, right? Stick with me for 20,000 words and I'll prove it, and then I'll show you exactly how to do it. Your name is curiosity. Your most powerful tool is knowing when to click. This is your permission slip into the future of AI, GPT-5 Pro, but without the cost. It's the closest thing we have today to unlocking superpowers. It's been hidden behind paywalls, polished PR, and hush-hush developer access. Until now, this isn't a scam. This isn't hacking. Not in the sense you're thinking. There are legitimate cracks, educational programs, beta invites, regional access, startup partnerships, and I'm going to guide you through them. But I'm not giving it all away yet. We're building layer by layer, insights, use cases, power hacks, until we hit the turning point halfway through. That's where I drop the revelation that's been loaded since word 1. Let's go. Why GPT-5 matters more than any AI yet. GPT-5 is an inflection point. Smarter, faster, deeper, more consistent. It's not just AI, it's a thinking partner. Let's talk real world. Unbreakable context memory. No more token limps. Advanced reasoning plus logic chains hold multi-step arguments. Multimodal mastery. Text, code, image, audio, all in one bubble. Developer upgrade. Perfect for coders, students, writers, agencies, freelancers. Only Pro hits this speed and depth. But wait, paying for Pro is expensive. And the free tier? Choked with limits, slow models, capped usage, cringy output. Something had to give. People started whispering. There are alternate paths open. How access leaks and beta programs work. You hear about internal pilots, dev grants, and regional launches. Stories like, a university lab snags free pro licenses for academic research. A startup incubator gets keys for demo days. Countries rolling out AI access programs under educational tech grants. There's a whole ecosystem quietly giving pro-level access. I've heard of students, orgs, and approved nonprofits getting in. Even regions like South Korea and parts of Europe are hosting pilot programs. One startup, Wartian, was giving full GPT-5 access publicly. Legit, no cost, unlimited. Yes, it's real, but not widely publicized. Until now. I'm not saying go post GPT-5 Pro leak in forums. You need to be smart, quiet, inside the credits and policies, but you can play the game. The early adopters aren't scammers, they're strategists. The stakes, what this access really changes. If you can build with GPT-5 Pro, you unlock our next-level content creation. Blog posts, scripts, code, faster than human. Letter automation dreams. AI agents that research and write for you. First, the AI competitive edge. Agencies get faster turnaround, deeper insight, better copy. Waste time. Wealth building tools. YouTubers, creators, and advisors monetize knowledge. Fast. GPT-5. Pro isn't just faster, it's smarter. It understands nuance, context, emotional tone, deep problems better than anything before. That's the power here. We're closing in on the reveal. Hang tight. Soon you'll see what I'm talking about. The hidden path unveiled. Here's the moment. Let that cliffhanger breathe. Okay. If you've stayed, here's what you came for. There is a way into GPT-5 Pro, for free for now, without hacking, without leaked keys. Through 1. Verified educational programs. Contact your university or local lab. Many get tiered API access. Ask Smart Tutor 2. Startup accelerator platforms. Some incubators offer pro access to their devs. If you're in, you might have a portal waiting. Regional pilot programs. Countries testing AI adoption often fund free AI tools for citizens. Britain-like regional apps. Keep an eye on countries like South Korea, Germany, or Japan, where a single platform publishes pro access. Developer beta invites. Occasionally, OpenAI invites devs for no-cost testing. Tweet, join Discord, apply via grant programs, they exist. Pro tip. Use a new account, VPN if needed. Target above options non-invasively, one step at a time. Email. Don't spam. Assertions, not demand. You didn't come to watch. You came to act. That's the lever. Use cases that pay you back with no plan B. Let's talk grind mode. YouTubers. Build viral content better than ChatGPT, emotional intelligence, storytelling arcs, content strategies. Agencies. Slash copywriting time, craft email funnels, pivot SEO faster. Coders. Build real products, VC nurturing sequences, full-blown apps in days, not weeks. Freelancers. Underbid because your output quality is insane. Researchers. Offload every grunt detail, then ask GPT-5 Pro to analyze it for you. Opportunities scale because GPT-5 Pro isn't just expressive, it's accurate and creative at the same time. Just remember, always have backup plans. If the access shuts down, you still have workflows, you still win. And what you build now will fuel your advantage later. Scaling this access wisely. Let's create systems. Secure one legit access vector, e.g., academic or accelerator. Build workflows that optimize speed, PowerShell wrappers, Zapier integrations, Notion templators. Write foundations, AI-first course content, GPT-5 Pro Toolkit, AI-powered newsletter. If access falters, you still have written assets, resources, UI scaffolds, you pivot. Make a local fallback, GPT OSS, Llama, etc., just in case. This is building with foresight. You're not Plan B resistant, you're Plan B redundant, future-proofing your edge. Think like a venture builder. Create scale. Newsletter, products, tools powered by GPT-5 Pro. Modularize, template plus API plus workflow, like sellable asset. Share between trusted collaborators, not public. Build with quiet launch momentum. Watch for OpenAI updates. If public tier shifts, migrate your recap tools smoothly. Your quiet advantage today powers your tomorrow's empire. You now know what everyday users don't. GPT-5 Pro can be real. Access can be within reach. You've got permission. Now act like it. Smash that like button. This channel drops the real sauce, not the hype. Subscribe if you want early AI strategies most people will never hear of. You're not just watching, you're preparing. And when the doors shift, those who prepared quietly will lead. Stay curious. Stay ahead. Let's build the future, one smart move at a time.